mag-focus ng aking camera. Mag-focus ka naman. Uy. Sira na ata. Ayan. Hi guys! Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. So, for today's video, it's April 14 and it's my boyfriend's oath taking for his citizenship. So, I'm going with him and with his mom and also our close friend. And punta na kami dito sa metro, sa grocery store kasi bili tayo ng cake para sa kanya to congratulate him, 'di ba? Tapos ito si Papa, syempre hati na naman ako, wala na naman siyang choice. And don't mind my face guys, ayusin ko pa yun mamaya. Wala lang akong time. Okay? Also pakita ko din outfit ko sa inyo guys mamaya. Okay, yun lang. Punta na tayo sa grocery store para makabili na, malilate na naman tayo. Yun lang, bye guys. Bilhan dito na ako sa grocery store guys. Bilhan na rin natin si mama ng ano niya, ng birthday cake niya kasi birthday niya din today. So yun. Masarap na cake for him. Maybe this one. Para pwedeng sulatan. Ito siguro guys. Grabe ang mahal, 31. Joke lang. Nagreklamo. Okay. Ano kay mama pa? Ano sa tingin mo?
Black Forest.
Yan, sa kanya? O, sige. Okay guys, I got the goods. So, meron tayong cake, may flowers, tapos meron tayong congratulations. Ano
Red light
here?
camera ahead.
Flowers niya. Kulay green. Wala akong mahanap na blue. Kasi walang available na blue. Okay, so yun lang guys. Punta na kami sa house nila para ano. Okay, bye. Pagpatubo ng buhok.
Yung matanda, pag
Lagyan kita. Lagyan kita.
Kailangan mo nang manahin muna ako. Kailangan ako muna yung
Sa kabila. Bango, di ba?
nananalagaan ko matagal na yan. Pero yung basta
Wow.
kung kailan lamang nakaano, yung sapatos niya hindi man lang niya shine.
Kaya
Kung
nga.
ano yung pangit yun pa yung sinuot, kadami-dami mong sapatos.
Dapat na. Hindi man lang floor wax. Walang shiny.
Des Métis et des Inuits. Qu'est-ce que cela signifie pour vous en tant que nouveau citoyen canadien?
Hi, Charlotte Khamaneugunga. Hi, I'm Charlotte Khamanuk, and welcome to Canada. As a new citizen, you're going to hear about truth and right.
It's an exciting time to join the Canadian family. Now, becoming a Canadian citizen during Citizenship Week is a reminder that citizenship is more than a legal status. It is a collective bond and a commitment to shaping our future together as a country. And at this time, I just want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. Now, I wish for you along your chosen land. I also encourage you to contact your family and friends to celebrate.
And within Indigenous communities. We know that people come here from all over the world, and we're anxious to hear your story.
Judge Blair,
To His Majesty, King Charles III, King of Canada, his heirs and successors, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Canada, including the Constitution, which the Première Nation, des Inuits et des Métis, et que je remplirai loyalement mes obligations de citoyen canadien. Bravo, bravo. Well done, well done. You are now Canadian citizens. You may be seated.
Well, it's now time to sing your national anthem, so would everyone please stand?
Bayang magiliw. Ay, wrong. Video yan.
Mag-conji tayo? O, saan may ano pa?
Yan na, guys.
Tapos na! Tapos na ang citizenship! Welcome, Canadian!
Ay, oo. Ay, oo. Hindi pa na Ano? Sumisikot ulit? Makakanda niya? Sabi sa kutsela. Goosebumps siguro yung pagkumanta sa loob. Childhood nga yun. Oh my God. Madami? Ha? Yeah.
Ito ba ka nun?
Mamaya na, interview ako.
Pangalawa na to. Yung una ganun na naman.
Magkano yung dati?
Kulang-kulang din. Kulang-kulang 5,000 din yung
Loyangkos. Problemado siya pagdating ng ano, nasa 6,000.
Nakakabigla po kasi pag ganun yung trabaho ka ng trabaho kasi tapos wala pa naman ako wala pa namang na-receive na yun yung huling na huli ko na may pumunta sa bahay. Ate, paihinga mo na nga ako. Sige. At anong siya? Ayun na yun. Saan ko kayo nailagay yung pag-clipper ko kay Joey? Yung pagtakot ko. Nagtakot ko.
Ang timpla mo eh.
Yan.
Ng kape.
Oh, ayan, maganda na yung lasa.
Tignan mo, naka ano na?
Do you want some? Huh? Did you eat this? Okay, I give you one.
Zoe! May pantakot ako dyan eh.
Here. Eh, huwag mo kong i-bite, ha? Go away.
Go away.
Anong music ang gusto mo? Disco? Bakapit ko ang beat?
Ano mo ba ito maingay?
Yan o. Ano ba?
No more. Enough. One.
Zoe!
Here. Get out here. No more. I said no.
Zoe!
Go.
Ha! Go! Out. Come here. Ah!
Get out. Wala na, nakatikim na eh, kaya ayaw na niya.
Stop! Sit down, sit down. Takot na kung saan ako. Hindi ko makita eh. Zoe!
Last one, okay? Last one. Then, in.
Okay.
Go. Get down, get down.
Hindi mo naman papaano yan.
You're not.
Zoe!
No more, no more. I think no more.
Labas ko muna yan.
No more. I said no
Sorry.
more.
Come here, come here.
Go later again. No, that's not allowed with you. That is sweet, not good. Get out there.
Zoe!
Sweet is not good for you. Get out first then. I give you later then. Go. Go there. Go.
Ay, ito pala, oh. Ito yung magandang pagkakot sa ganyan.
Oh.
Zoe, stop it! Stop! Sit down, come here. Come. So,
I said not good the sweet.
talaga hindi ka maniniwala. Sige. Ay, hindi siya talaga maniniwala. Abay, talaga naman. Oh, sige.